In today's video, I am going to show you that how you can make this poster just using Pixellab and Lightroom. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. I am starting with adding this picture in the background. A small reminder, you will get all the files that I will use in this project today from the link in the description given below. My today's poster is about Bangladesh's athlete. That's why I am adding Bangladesh map PNG here. Here I replicated the Bangladesh flag with a combination of red and green on the background and mapped to create a beautiful meaning. As we can see that the green color is a little more saturated and the textures that are there are also a little over. Now let's fix it. It seems that the background is fairly balanced. Now to reduce the texture, we will basically keep the color of the main background as the same as our balanced layered color. Now we will select the background of our first layer and gradually reduce its opacity so that the effect of the texture is less visible. Done. Now I will implement the main subject and adjust its size myself. Here I will use the logo of Bangladesh cricket team to fill the design. Meanwhile, for a small detailing, I will take the map PNG layer and enable its shadow option so that a separation is created between the background and the map. But there is a need for separation between background and foreground. So for that reason, I will create a gradient layer and place it below our subject layer. So now our foreground is ready. Now I need to make people understand by my design that our subject is standing here. For that, we will now place the shadow layer. In this case, you have to create your shadow by considering the highlighted part and darker part of the subject you will use in the design. Now I will add some text layer and add the name of the player and his jersey number. The font I will use here is Gotham Bold. The font I am using here is DX Tall font. Done for Pixellab. Now the rest is in Lightroom Mobile. The work is not much here. I will just desaturate the skin color and fix everything else. And going to do some basic adjustments. So now our design is ready. This was for today. See you on another video. Till then, be smart, be safe, be creative.